Jessica with Harmony Home Medical, and like Harmony Home Medical, I'm here to help. So today I wanted to talk about power chairs, the different power chair options that are available. It can be really confusing to know what chair is best for you or your loved one. There's a few different categories, and I'll go over those. We have a portable power chair, a full-size power chair, and then a full-size group 3 or rehab chair. So when do we choose between these different power chairs? Well, most people come in, if they're new to using a power chair, and want the smallest thing possible, because they want to be able to easily move it through their home or put it in their car. So that's going to land them in the portable power chair category. And while these are really small, the turning radius is actually the same or very, very close, within an inch or two of a full size. But the advantage of a portable power chair is that they're going to be able to take it apart and put it into their vehicle. That's going to be critical for a lot of people who want to access the community and aren't ready to put a lift or modified van into their life. So after that, we have a full-size chair. This chair is going to be a chair more suitable for somebody who's an all-day chair user. They need those batteries that go a long distance. They need a seat that is sizable so we can order it for them in the right size. And they need the shock system that's going to be able to handle the bumps and cracks of the world. This chair is not portable, so you are going to have a vehicle lift or van that you can drive it into. They can get anywhere from 12 all the way up to 17 miles on a charge. So you can use it from your home or your community to access shopping and dining, things that are close to where you live. So for that, it's a very good fit for an all-day chair user who requires a little bit extra comfort that a portable chair can't provide. From there, if somebody has more comfort and seating needs, so if they have curvature of their spine or weakness in their trunk, something that needs a little more support, then they need to go into a group 3 chair. A group 3 chair has even more suspension and power and torque in its motors than a full-size group 2 chair. But we can also add things like an aftermarket backrest. We can add laterals onto the side, and we can select any cushion that the client requires. A pressure preventative cushion, a positioning cushion, whatever things they need to make sure that they can stay in that chair all day safely. When people are using a group 3 chair, and oftentimes even in a full-size chair, they're relying on that chair all day long. So it's up to professionals like myself and Harmony Home Medical to make sure that they're fitted correctly and that they're as comfortable as possible, that they're well aware of all the range of cushions and backrests that are available to help them be so. So that would be a group 3 chair, and again, you're going to need that lift or vehicle modification to take it with you. But if that is your legs, your ability to go about the day, it's really worth it to make that investment in your independence and your health and safety. So if you'd like Harmony to come and help you with the sizing or come into the store and do a fitting, we'd be more than happy to. Our phone number can be found below. Give us a call and we'd be happy to meet you.